In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the ChatGPT Atlas app seamlessly in just a few steps. Let's dive right into the process so you can make the most of this fantastic tool. To begin, open the ChatGPT Atlas app on your device. It serves as your gateway to exploring a wide array of functionalities powered by advanced AI. The smooth and intuitive interface is designed to make your experience both rewarding and user-friendly. Once you have the app open, you'll be greeted by the Home tab. This is where the magic truly begins. On this Home tab, you have two main options. You can either ask GPT a question directly or type in a URL, providing incredible versatility depending on your needs. This feature is especially useful if you're looking for quick answers or conducting specific research. Now, to experience this app's capability, start by asking ChatGPT anything you're curious about. For instance, you might want to find out what ChatGPT Atlas is. This kind of inquiry not only helps you understand more about the tool you're using, but also showcases the AI's ability to provide relevant and comprehensive information. By typing in your question, you're engaging with an intelligent partner that can assist with all sorts of queries, from the simple to the complex. After you've crafted your question, the next step is to click on the Submit button. This action sends your question to the AI, signaling it to process and generate a response. The app is designed to quickly deliver high-quality answers, making it a reliable companion whether you're learning something new or need guidance in your daily activities. Ensure you click Submit only once to avoid sending duplicate inquiries. Once submitted, take a moment to read and reflect on the response. The information provided is not just straightforward, but often includes additional details that can enhance your understanding of the topic. As you continue to use the app, remember that you have the freedom to ask about virtually anything. The breadth of topics the AI can handle is vast, ranging from technology, science, history, and even tricky math problems, making it a versatile tool for learners and professionals alike. The key is to ask clear and concise questions to ensure precise and accurate answers. In summary, with just a few clicks, you can leverage the power of ChatGPT Atlas to expand your knowledge and solve problems more efficiently. Experiment with different topics to truly maximize what the app offers. As you become more familiar with its functionalities, you'll find that it increasingly becomes an invaluable part of your digital toolkit. Thanks for watching, and happy exploring!